about a month later.
And between that time when you gave him $1,000 and the time that you took the boat out, did you have any communication with them?
No,
None. Is that right, Mr. Rodriguez?
that's correct.
So you took the boat out on the water and,
It didn't start. So I put it back on the trailer and took it home.
and,
And that's when I called the mechanic to have him come check it out.
and,
He checked it out and figured out that the starter needed to be rebuilt and they needed to put new batteries in it.
and,
So I had my mechanic and my son take it out and have them checked it out. They went out and they found that there was a crack in the boat.
and,
We brought it back before his son.
just a second. Mr. Rodriguez, watch what you just said to me. You said between the time that you gave